Don't miss this rare opportunity to own this lovely Porter Square antique single-family home with mixed-use zoning, perfectly set up for a private access home business, and plenty of space for you and your family as well. Welcome to 117 Elm Street in red-hot Somerville, Massachusetts, located right on the Cambridge-Somerville line. Conveniently located just steps from trendy areas, Davis Square and popular Porter Square, this Victorian period home is on a desirable corner lot with sunny southwest exposures. Enjoy the driveway and a lovely yard with 2 patio areas, perfect for entertaining, along with numerous plantings including Japanese holly, evergreens, seasonal flowering shrubs and apple trees, blueberry and cranberry bushes. This 3-level home has 11 rooms, including 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, and working from home will be a pleasure with the 3 separate office and study rooms as well. Enjoy many wonderful features, including the large eat-in kitchen, handy laundry and pantry room with a brand new washer and dryer, a 3-season sunroom, attractive wood details throughout, high ceilings, oversized windows, a wood-burning fireplace with beautiful tile surround, new interior paint throughout, and modern systems as well as a newer roof. With an absolutely outstanding location so close to many parks, shops, cafes, award-winning restaurants, and fabulous nightlife, it's no surprise this home scores an amazingly high Walker's Paradise score of 97 out of 100 from walkscore.com. This location is considered a walker's paradise and a biker's paradise, so daily errands do not require a car. 117 Elm is only a 4-minute walk from the Fitchburg commuter rail line stop right to Boston and the Porter Square T Station, where you can also hop on the Red Line subway with quick stops to Harvard Square, MIT, Kendall Square, Mass General, and Boston. Here is your opportunity to simply move in, relax, and bask in all that's offered in this super popular, convenient, and thriving location.